In an era of accelerating technology, where the manufacturing sector changes and evolves rapidly, we have committed ourselves to supplying solutions that deliver maximum benefit to our customers and partners. We are here to help you find the best solutions for your assembly operations. The best tools engineered for your success. Our assembly solutions have the potential to transform the ways organizations perform. With over 20 years in business, we have provided countless services to industry leaders. From manual torque wrenches to electronic torque tools, calibration units, screw feeders, and robotic systems, we carry it all. Everything you need for the most demanding jobs. However challenging your requirements are, bring them on. Integrated Manufacturing.